just doing some wrenching. I had to do brakes. This is it. Pretty much, I think that's as close as you can get before hitting rivets. But Carmela heard something, and I was like, well, let me check it up, and sure enough, I'd do a brake job. Took this in a long time, or not even a long time ago. About a year I took this out, and I actually took it to a dealership. And they said, oh yeah, you got lots of brake pad. So within the last couple months, suppose we have gone through, you know, lots of brake pad to nothing. Don't ever listen to a dealership. I don't know. I just don't get it. And I can't believe this is one thing I've never seen in my life. Never seen this. Goes on the back of the vehicle. It's like a welded nut onto a sensor. Never seen it. I'm old school. Give me some carbureted engines and, you know, just normal, no computer crap. But still working with it, so got this off. And yeah, took this off. Finally figured out what it was. So all I have to do is compress this in, and then put on some new brake pads. So it's all pretty much clean. So you could tell they barely mess with this crap. But got all brand new clips, brake pads. Got the premiums. Gotta love these premium stuffs because they come with the clips. You get the basics, you're not getting these clips. I'm telling you. This is what you need. Proper movage in your brakes will stop your car properly. All I did was literally put it in like this, and the actual piston has to spin. So if you actually get in here, you can actually see. Let me flip it over. So if you look in there, that's the piston. So you kind of gotta literally take it and spin it as it's going back in. I don't know. That's what it was doing. So it's I'm just gonna be cleaning this up with some brake clean, clean up the edges, and go to the next side. But love wrenching. It was an interesting weekend. But I've worked on 2 vehicles plus my ATV, because my ATV, the pull cord fell out again. And I'm just, you know, having fun. But I fixed the pull cord, and I didn't even think of recording. I should have been recording, but for some reason, you know, those things you literally completely forget. But we got some wood out there. We got some wood stacked underneath the stairs and all that. You know, help your local neighbors. And guess what? He's helping me out. See this? It's a garage. See this cool chair? It's like a small chair. So it's cool, but I only jacked it up because I was like, yeah, it's just the brakes, don't need to bring a hoist and all that other crap. And it's actually lightning outside, so I don't want the vehicle to be stuck up on the hoist because it's all electronic. So you know. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep on going, show you guys what I'm doing. Give it a nice cleanup. Get some new stuff on here. Only thing I don't like about these new vehicles is there's nowhere to hang anything. It's craziness. Can't see when you're doing work. Another clip down. Ooh, let's get dirt in it. So these brakes, I don't know if the piston was seized at one time or I don't know, but Once again, I took this to a dealership not that long ago, and this vehicle was actually put away, like literally was sat in a dealership for like over a month because they couldn't figure out anything. The thing is just people not being smart, but whatever. So, we got those clips off. I'm gonna do one more cleaning and make sure, you know, I like to clean all these grooves, even though this is brand new. It looks like. One reason why it looks brand new is because I take care of it. Well, for now on, it's gonna look like that. Until we get rid of this vehicle, that's what it looks like. Alrighty, so let's do another cleaning. That's dirty and potent. I'm just gonna let that dry for a minute. I'll be back. But that's the way it goes. So, I'm telling you right now, this is the way I do it. I'm not telling anybody how to do this, but I've done it as, well, I don't know. Ever since I was a kid, this is what I've been doing. So, it's amazing. I got all this greased up, cleaned all that. I forgot. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Alright, we'll be back in a second. Love this. So, as I'm looking through and inspecting everything, well, let's see where we can actually see this. Oh, there you go. So anyways, this one was completely seized. Thank God I just got it out. I'm just trying to pull it out now, so. I guess this is what you do. When you deal with dealerships, this is what you get. Never be bringing this crap back to a dealership ever again. They're just looking for money. How to scam you. There we go. It's coming out. Yay! Scoop that down, clean it out, bring it back out. Oh my God. That's what you get with a dealership that says straight up. See that rust? That rust? I'm definitely going to be kicking their butts when I get back to town. So, I'm just recording this all so you guys can friggin' see this. You know, you guys are going to see it on YouTube either way. I was just doing a brake job normal. But I'll tell you right now, that is dry. Why are my brakes not working? Why don't people actually go and do their job? Sorry, I don't mean to get all blah, but that's just stupid. Anyways, I'm going to clean this up. I'll be back in a minute. So anyways, I had to clean this all up completely. Lube it up. Get everything all done. What are you doing? There's nothing. There's a deer around. Who cares? Look at that, people. That's the way your brake system's supposed to work. Look. Look at that. Holy. That's the way to do it. See? It works properly. Maybe I should go work for the Ford dealership. They might actually make a profit because, you know, I don't, actually no, I know how they make profits. They friggin' bring vehicles back and back and back and back and back. So, you know, you might as well just do it yourself. Learn. Put your hands in use, in motion, you know. But anyways, I'm done with that. I'm gonna get this done and put this back on. I guess I should take this out of the way. Look at that. Ta-da! Looks like a brake. And look at where this goes. This is the funny part. You actually, well, I can't put it on that side, so we'll put it on this side. So anyways, this is where this goes. Oh. Let me put the top one in first here. But you can see how good that's working because I had to friggin' push it down to get it back in. Can't believe a 15-minute job on a brake job turns into a 45-minute. But that's the way the whole weekend's been going, so you know. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh, snug her up, snug her up. Oh, look at that. Brakes are working again, peoples. Yeah. So if you look after, you try to maintain it by yourself. If you don't know how to do it, I'm telling you, I'm encouraging you guys. Go out, see a mechanic that one of your friends or somebody that actually does, you know, work. Like a brake job's not that hard, to be honest with you. I know it's intimidating. Everybody goes, oh, well, you know, but the fact is, if you need to save money nowadays, I guess I'm mechanically inclined or whatever, but I'm telling you, if you can do it, save your money. Don't spend it at a dealership where they're just going to rip you off. Anyways, you always want to snug her down, because these are your brakes. There we go. And I guess that's how you do your brake job. I think I should actually put an online course here. How you do it. Maybe I'll do the other one with a little bit more ease because, well, I know it's brand new because they were like, oh, it's got to be replaced. You think straight up. If you think you replaced the other one, you think they would have checked these cylinders? I'm telling you, that was pure rusted. Pure rusted. Can't believe it. So anyways, that's done. I should put the first bolt on there. Give it a little wiggle. The next bolt goes down to here. Do it in a start formation so you don't have a wobbly tire. You don't throw your tire out of balance. I'm telling you. And at the end, torque it all down properly. I'm telling you. These little tips will actually friggin' save you a truckload of money, because if you end up screwing up one of these and it's not tightened down properly, well, you're going for a fun ride with your wheel going across the road. I don't get it. I can't get away from the dirt. It's either dirt from the garden or dirt from the shop. I don't know how Carmela keeps me so clean.